Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay at an ATM. Many modern ATMs from major banks support contactless transactions, allowing you to access your account without inserting your physical debit card. Whether you're using an ATM from Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, or another bank with contactless ATM support, we've got you covered. But before heading to an ATM, open the wallet app on your iPhone and verify that your debit card has been added successfully. If you haven't added your card yet, open the wallet app, tap the plus icon, follow the prompt to add your debit card, complete any verification steps required by your bank. Once your card is verified, you're ready to use it at any supported ATMs. Now you need to find a contactless ATM. Not every ATM supports Apple Pay, so you look for the contactless payment symbol near the card reader. The contactless symbol typically appears as a series of curved lines and indicates that the ATM can communicate with your iPhone through NFC technology. Most newer ATMs from major banks offers this feature, but availability may vary by location. Now, when you're standing in front of a compatible ATM, you need to wake up the Apple Pay. Double click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Your default debit card will appear on screen. If you have multiple cards and wallets, select the debit card linked to the account you want to access. And then after the ATM recognizes your card, you'll typically be prompted to enter your debit card PIN. Use the ATM keypad to enter the PIN associated with your bank account. This security helps verify your identity and protects your account. Once authenticated, choose the transaction you'd like to perform. Once, authen- Once authenticated, choose the transaction you'd like to perform. You can Once authenticated, you can choose the transaction you'd like to perform. You can have a cash withdrawal, balance inquiry, deposit if that is supported in your area or region. You can also transfer between accounts or print a receipt. Select the desired option and follow the on-screen instructions. And then finally, complete your transaction. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. If you're withdrawing cash, select or enter the amount, confirm the transaction, wait for the ATM to dispense your cash. Be sure to collect any receipt if you choose to receive one. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay at an ATM. For as long as your debit card is added to Apple Wallet and you're using a contactless enabled ATM, you can quickly access your account without inserting your physical card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.